Hello students, how are you all? Like in economics, there is only first chapter in your first term examination, and the name of the chapter it is development. Now some of the topics which we will cover under this chapter, these are like you can see at your screen overview. What does the development means? Income and other goals, national development, and other topics are also given out there. Overview is also given out there. Now let's discuss all these topics one by one. Like yesterday also I've given some of the pictures, so you can go through these notes are also given in these pictures. You can go through it, and also I'm discussing them today one by one. Like the first topic, it is about the income and other goals. Now for the development of each and every person, one of the most important thing which is required for the development of any of the person, that is income. Because without money or without income, none of the dreams of any of the individual could be fulfilled. तो अपनी ड्रीम्स को फुलफिल करने के लिए, अपनी डेवलपमेंट करने के लिए, अपनी लग्जरीज वगैरह को लेने के लिए इनकम सबसे ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है. इनकम इन द टर्म्स ऑफ मनी. So in this topic it has been discussed about that income is the first and the foremost thing for the development of any of the person, but apart from income some other things are also required. Like for example, it is not only just to have a high amount of money or the high amount of salary. Various other things are also taken into consideration. Like you can see a point on the screen. Some companies provide less salary but offer regular employment which enhances sense of security. इसका मतलब क्या है कि only the income is not required for the survival of any of the person. Job security is also needed. Respect and love from the society, or respect in the working environment where a person is working, all these things are also required. मतलब कि मनी के अलावा और भी कई सारी चीज़ें जो हैं बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी होती हैं फॉर द डेवलपमेंट ऑफ एनी ऑफ द पर्सन. Now in this picture you can look, there is a heading income and other criteria. Now in order to know or judge the development of any person, it is not only the income. Various other things are also taken into consideration in order to know and judge whether a person is developed or not. So under this various points are given out there. Like for example, in order to know the development of a person, it is not only money which is required. Various other things are taken into consideration. Like you can see in the first point, like freedom, security and respect for others. These things are taken into consideration. Now in the second point, for development of a nation, average income or the per capita income is needed. In this he wants to explain about, in order to know or judge the development of a nation or a development of a country, this per capita income is taken into consideration. And these are the various per capita incomes given related to various states, Haryana, Kerala and Punjab. This per capita income basically means the income of a single individual. एक आदमी की कितनी इनकम है, पर मंथ के हिसाब से भी देखा जा सकता है, पर ईयर के हिसाब से भी देखा जाता है, और पर डे के हिसाब से भी देखा जा सकता है. तो ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ द पर कैपिटा इनकम वी कैन जज द डेवलपमेंट ऑफ अ पर्सन. एंड अपार्ट फ्रॉम इनकम वेरियस अदर थिंग्स आर ऑल्सो टेकन इन टू कंसिडरेशन. लाइक फॉर एग्जाम्पल, वो आदमी कहाँ पर रह रहा है, उसके पास कितनी लग्जरीज है, उसके आसपास का एरिया कैसा है, सैनिटेशन की फैसिलिटीज़ वहाँ पर अवेलेबल है या नहीं है, प्रॉपर रोड्स वगैरह वहाँ पर डेवलप्ड है या नहीं है. तो ऑल दीज थिंग्स आर ऑल्सो टेकन इन टू कंसिडरेशन for knowing the development of a person. Next picture, it is about the public facilities. Public facilities basically means all these facilities, all those facilities which are provided by the government to all the individuals. Like for example, in the first point you can look at your screen, schools, hospitals, community halls, transport, electricity. All these are the facilities which are provided to us by the government of India. So what all facilities are provided by the government of India to all the people, these are included in the public facilities. Now there are various states in the country India. In some of the states, public facilities are too much provided by the government of India, but on the other side, there are some states where no or very less public facilities are made available to the people. Like in this point you can look at your screen, it is discuss about the public distribution system, जिसको हम शॉर्ट में कहते हैं पीडीएस. इसके अंदर वेरियस राशन शॉप्स आर इंक्लूडेड बाय द गवर्नमेंट. तो ऑल दीज आर द फैसिलिटीज विच आर प्रोवाइडेड बाय द गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया. इन सम ऑफ द स्टेट्स बहुत अच्छी फैसिलिटीज़ हैं और दूसरे स्टेट्स के अंदर बहुत कम फैसिलिटीज़ हैं. तो इट इज़ अबाउट द पब्लिक फैसिलिटीज़. Now these are the various terms related to your this first chapter. Number one, it is about the infant mortality rate. Infant mortality rate का मतलब ये होता है कि before celebrating the first birthday, if a child used to die, that is included in the case of the infant mortality rate. जैसे किसी बच्चे ने बर्थ लिया, उसके बाद क्या हुआ, फर्स्ट बर्थडे एक साल से पहले ही उसकी अगर डेथ हो जाती है, that child would be included in the infant mortality rate. You can go through the definition. Like it has been given out there, proportion of 1000 live children born in that particular year. एक साल के अंदर 1000 बच्चों में से कितने बच्चों की डेथ हो गई है, that is termed as the infant mortality rate. Literacy rate. Literacy rate means that part of the population that is literate. Literate का मतलब ये होता है पढ़े लिखे. टोटल पॉपुलेशन में से कितने बच्चे जो पढ़े लिखे हैं उसको नाम दिया जाता है लिटरेसी रेट. नेट अटेंडेंस रेशो, you can go through the detail. I'm also reading out. It is the total number of children in the age group of 14 to 15 years who attending school as a percentage of the total number of children in the same age group. इसका मतलब ये होता है कि जो 14 to 15 years तक के जितने भी बच्चे हैं, टोटल जितने भी बच्चे हैं कंट्री के अंदर, इंडिया की हमारे एग्जाम्पल है, इंडिया के अंदर अगर मान लीजिए 20 लाख बच्चे ऐसे हैं जो 14 to 15 years की एज में आते हैं, उसमें से 10 लाख बच्चे जो है वो स्कूल जाते हैं. 20 लाख टोटल है, 10 लाख बच्चे स्कूल जाते हैं. तो 20 लाख में से 10 लाख बच्चे स्कूल जा रहे हैं, वो जो रेशो जो निकाला जाएगा दैट इज टर्म्ड एज द नेट अटेंडेंस रेशो रिलेटेड टू द स्कूल गोइंग चिल्ड्रन. के टोटल बच्चे जो इस ग्रुप में से हैं उसमें से कितने बच्चे स्कूल जा रहे हैं और कितने बच्चे घर पर हैं, वो जो रेशो जो होता है उसको नाम दिया जाता है नेट अटेंडेंस रेशो. So these are the various topics discussed today. You can go through all these topics and also listen to the video, and if you have any problem you can ask it. Thank you very much.